Hammer Horror, which was founded in 1934, have produced horror films like Dracula and The Mummy. They are an old film studio, which means that they are very experienced and would be beneficial because they are recognisable to the audience. Blumhouse Productions are known for making horror films like Insidious and Paranormal Activity, which are considered low budget. A problem with Blumhouse Productions is they don't distribute, meaning that they would have to look to other companies for distribution. Brain Damage Films produce and distribute their own films independently. They produce films globally, which means that they have a global distribution pattern. Troma Entertainment are also a production and distribution company that are highly experienced. However, they don't release films in the UK. Magnolia Pictures is an American film distributor that owns a home streaming site called Magnolia Home Entertainment and only release films in the USA. If I was to choose one of these companies to distribute my film, I would choose Brain Damage Films because they provide a global release pattern, which means that there are more opportunities and places that will view it. Also, they produce films, meaning that the quality of my film would be better in collaboration with them.